Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kumsi penta ke jeng rakhi ke jeng dap nyop san snem ke jeng yok lai lot ke ri India ke jeng dap san pos snem ke jela Meghalaya kumju ke jeng dap san pos snem ke jeng yadai parlok bat ke ri Bangladesh ha ke South Rik uni ubnai la penlong ya ke jeng yalang ha kaput ke India Bangladesh ke ba hadau ki Tamabil West Janja Hills District habakran ke jeng yalang u Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture and Textile uba FR Karkongor ula banjur ya kejing don kam ban rake ya ki laijat kejing yalang kentup kejing dap nyop san snem kari India kejing dap san pos nem ke jela Meghalaya bat kejing dap san pos nem kejing edai parlok bat ki ari uba Karkongor ula ais ngobha da kitiar kitar berkijany ban peni ya kedustur riti jong ke jela Meghalaya Shaw Assistant High Commissioner Selhet High Commissioner of India bat ya kitiar kitar an sa peni namru ha Indian High Commissioner Hadhaka. Ubak Karkongor ula pentip ba ke Ministry of External Affairs haki kendiat sngi baladep kalap kenjok ketien ya ke sorkar jela banjit ya kari ban rakhe ya ke Azadi ki Amrit Muhad Saif par ke sorkar Meghalaya kala terwa ya kari Bangladesh ban long ke parlok namar ba ka don kijing sengaw ya jan la hakaliang kakayi kapateng kumju ka puli ka putih. Kami Meghalaya berkari Bangladesh kidoni kijingetu kana umen barim kamtam utiro sing uklawat kari kasi ubaya lek persya ber kesorkar British ha kisnem kat praspa arp kandai haduk kat praspa lai pulai barlara ayu Shadhaka hadin bawula syakem ha kesorkar British la pentebro ba kesorkar jela kalapa igjing terwa sya ke Ministry of External Affairs na ke benta bentai ya ke Tirot Singh Memorial and Cultural Center Hadhaka. Kiwaidi kibe Aijingkren kilong Unaraj Kumar, Commissioner of India, in the Assistant High Commissioner of India, Selhet, Bangladesh, u Abilash Baranwal, IAS, SDO Amlarem, Subdivision, but kiwai.
Commenced on 12th March 21, which started a 75-week countdown to our 75th anniversary of independence and will end post a year on 15th August 2023. It is an intensive nationwide campaign with the focus on participation of all citizens. It is being converted into a Jan Andolan where small changes at the local level aid on to the significant national gains. As we all know, freedom is a precious gift of our freedom fighters, and this is occasion to 200 years when we were colonized. While the British left the country, they break our motherland into two pieces geographically. However, they could not break the spirit of an indivisible India. It is intact even after 75 years of independence, thanks to our glorious